How to become an Uber Eats driver. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to become a driver on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Uber Eats application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto the shopping icon at the top, right here, select it. Then you will find something like this. Now tap on to the account section right here. Now tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find earn by driving or delivering, just right here. Select it. And from here you can simply add your place that you want to become a driver. So for now you can see Uber is unavailable in the area I selected to earn. So you need to add the place where this Uber app is available, and by adding the city you will simply get your riding profile on the Uber Eats. And that's it. This is how you can become an Uber Eats driver. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.